How's it everyone? Welcome to Bait Tactics. Lure fishing is my other big passion, and there's nothing that can compare to the feeling when hopping a jig around and getting smashed by a big old fish. So let me show you how I make a super easy yet super effective Wobbly Head Jig that moves like a real critter in the water and that's accounted for a lot of big fish over the years. So if you like puncturing lips with your own creations, then this video is definitely for you. Let's go, buddy! You are going to need some stainless steel leader wire. If I'm using less than 170 pound wire, I will always add a split ring to the hook tie, a good quality bass hook, some ready-made jig skirts, and you can get them online for relatively cheap. Then any size ball sinker and any creature type soft plastic bait. So with a thick boiling needle or drill bit, I'll widen and neaten up the hole in my weight and then tie a hook tie to the end of my wire. Make sure to have at least 2 or 3 wraps on your wire. The cool thing about the Wobbly Head Jig is the options of what you can make are endless, and you can make them any size, color or shape that you need. Now add your weight to the wire and try and screw it in nice and tight. Now leave enough space for your skirt to sit and tie off your hook. Give enough space for your hook to move freely and wrap the wire all the way back to the weight. This will help your skirt to sit nice and tight. And if you like videos like these and want to see some more awesome carp, bass and catfish bait making videos, then please subscribe to the channel, like the videos and tell me what you think in the comment section. To paint them, I like to use nail polish. It's durable and you get a lot of cool colors. I'll give them 2 coats of color and finish them off with a nice thick clear coat. Now slip on your skirt and move it all the way up to the little space that you made between your hook and the weight. When the skirt is on, always make sure that your hook can move freely. Now just add your soft plastic and you're ready to rock and roll. The Wobbly Head jigs are super cheap and easy to tie, and you can custom make them to any color or pattern that you need. They've accounted for a lot of big bass and catfish over the years, and it's definitely a lure that you should try. So as always, why buy it when you can make it even better? Thanks for watching and tight lines.